Welcome. So today we will learn about what is a software. So hardware is what you can touch, but software is a invisible magic that makes computers come alive. You cannot hold it, but it runs your whole digital world. So what exactly is software? Let's crack open the definition in the simplest way possible. Software is a set of instructions written in a secret language that tells hardware exactly what to do, step by step, every milliseconds. Invisible. You cannot touch, see, or smell software. It has no weight, no shape, it only exists as information. Its instructions. Software is a million of lines of code, like a super detailed recipe that tells the computer every tiny steps. It can be copied. Unlike hardware, software can be copied infinitely. One app can be on a billion phones at the same time. It gets updated. Software can be improved without changing the hardware. That's why your apps keeps getting new features. So, we can also say hardware is like a TV set. Software is the shows playing on it. Without shows, the TV is just a box. Without software, a computer is just expensive metal. So, six types of software you use every day. Software comes in many flavors. Let's meet them all. Type 1. Operating system. The boss of all software, it runs first when you turn on any devices and manages everything memory, apps, files, and connections. So, the examples of operating systems are Windows 11, Mac OS, Android, iOS, Linux. You can think like the principal of a school manages everyone and everything. Type 2. Application software. Apps are software you use for a specific purpose. Watching videos, messaging friends, editing photos, or doing homework. Examples are YouTube, WhatsApp, Chrome, Zoom, Instagram. You can also think like different tools in a toolbox, each one for a specific job. Type 3. Game software. Videos games are software. Minecraft, Roblox, Fortnite, millions of lines of code create entire world for you to explore and play in. Examples are Minecraft, Roblox, PUBG, Fortnite, among us. You can also think like a digital universe created entirely from code and imagination. Educational software. Software that teaches you things from learning maths to coding to languages. Interactive lessons that make learning actually fun. Examples are Khan Academy, Duolingo, BYJU'S, Scratch, Vedantu. So you can think like a teacher that is available 24 by 7 and never gets tired. Type 5. System utility software. Background helpers that keep the computer healthy. Antivirus removes threat. Disk cleaner removes germs. Backup software saves your files. Examples are antivirus, disk cleaner, backup tools, drivers. You can also think like a doctor working quietly in the background, keeping everything healthy. Type 6. AI softwares. The newest type. AI software learns from data and gets smarter over time. It can write, draw, talk, translate, and even detect diseases in photo. Examples are ChatGPT, Google Translate, Siri, Google Maps, Face ID. You can also think like a magic software that actually thinks and learns on its own. So here we will see the difference between hardware versus software, the ultimate battle. They are totally opposite, but they need each other. Hardware versus software. Hardware you can touch it, but software you cannot touch it. In hardware, physical has a shape. Software is a digital no shape. Hardware can physically break. Software can get bugs and errors. Hardware made in a factory. Software is written by a programmer. Hardware is nothing but keyboard, RAM, screen. Software is nothing but YouTube, Minecraft, Windows, ChatGPT, etc. Hardware is cost money to ship. Software sent over internet instantly. Hardware cannot be copied easily. Softwares can be on billions of devices at the same time. So both hardware and software they need each other. Software without hardware, a recipe with no kitchen or ingredients. If hardware without a software, a kitchen with no recipe or cook. So together they create the magic we call a computer. Software changing the world. Amazing. Real world examples of software from every corner of the planet. In India, UPI payment software, PhonePe, GPay, Paytm, Indian payments apps software handle over 10 billion transactions a month. Software turn every Indian phone into a bank. BYJU'S learning app. BYJU'S software brings personalized learning to 150 million Indian students. AI software track each student and adjust lesson to their speed. Ola and Uber software. The Ola and Uber apps are software that calculate your route, match you with a driver, set the price, and process payment all in under 10 seconds. Aadhaar software system. Aadhaar is a software that manages biometrics IDs for 1.4 billion Indians, the world's largest biometric database built entirely on the software. If you are from USA, then Netflix algorithm. Netflix software watches your habits and predicts what you want to see next. It saves Netflix $1 billion a year by keeping people watching. Hospital AI software. IBM Watson software helps US doctors diagnose cancer by reading the thousands of medical papers, finding patterns no human doctor could spot alone. SpaceX flight software. SpaceX rockets are guided by software during every launch. The Falcon 9 software makes 400 decisions per second to land itself perfectly on a drone ship. Google Maps software knows live traffic, route closures, and accidents worldwide, giving 1 billion people accurate directions every single day. Africa. M-Pesa software, mobile banking software lets 30 billion Kenyans send money using basic phones, transforming lives in area with no banks at all. Farmerline app. Farmerline software sends weather forecasts, market prices, and farming tips via SMS to 1 million smallholders farmers in their local language. mHero Health Software. In Liberia and Uganda, mHero software connects health workers via WhatsApp, coordinating disease response for millions of people during outbreaks. Enuzia Education. Eneza software delivers school lessons via basic SMS text messages, helping 3 million students in rural Kenya study even without smartphones or internet. In Asia, WeChat Super App China. WeChat software combines chat, payment, shopping, news, games, maps, and government services in one app, used by 1.3 billion people daily. Line Robot Teacher in Japan. Japan's Line app software uses AI chatbots to teach English to millions of students, answering questions instantly at any time of night or day. Smart traffic software as Korea. Seoul's traffic management software controls 2,000 smart traffic lights in real time, reducing congestion by 20% and cutting accidents citywide. Dream 11 Fantasy App India. Dream 11 software uses AI to analyze cricket statistic, player form, and pitch conditions, letting 130 million fans create fantasy teams and compete. In Europe, yes, German railway software predicts when train parts will fail before they break down, preventing delays for 5.5 million daily passengers. Climate modeling software. European weather centers run software that simulates the entire atmosphere of Earth, predicting climate patterns weeks and even years in advance. Revolt Banking App UK. Revolt software lets 40 million Europeans bank entirely on their phone. No branches, no queues, instant money transfer to 160 plus countries. Spotify Sweden. Spotify software uses AI to analyze your mood and listening habits, creating personalized playlists for 600 million users across 180 countries. So, software fact that will shock you. Let's see. Linux. Millions of lines. The Linux operating system, which runs Android, most websites, and supercomputers, has over 27 billion lines of code written by thousands of volunteers worldwide. The Mariner 1 bug. In 1962, a tiny software error caused NASA's Mariner 1 rocket to go off course and be destroyed just minutes after launch. NASA called it the most expensive hyphen in history. Most used software. Android OS is used on over 3 billion active devices worldwide. Phone, tablets, TVs, and more. It is also completely free and open source. World's youngest Microsoft Pro, Cordelia Kataria from the UK, became the world's youngest Microsoft certified professional at just 9 years old in 2020, officially recognized by Guinness World Record. Software never stops growing. The Android operating system started in 2008 with basic features. Today, after hundreds of updates, it powers smart TVs, cars, watches, and fridges. Same software, new possibilities. AI writing code. GitHub Copilot, an AI software tool, helps developers write code faster. In a study by GitHub, developers using it completely completed tasks 55% faster than those without it. So, so the final test we can do. Software quiz. How much did you learn today? Let's solve 5 questions. Go for the perfect score. Okay, so the first question is, what is the best description of software? Options are a physical part like a keyboard, invisible instruction that tell hardware what to do, the electricity that powers a computer. So the right answer is invisible instruction that tells hardware what to do. Yes, software is the invisible set of instruction that tells hardware what to do. You cannot hold it, but it makes everything work. Which of this is an operating system? The options are Minecraft, Android, YouTube. So the right answer is Android. Correct. Android is an operating system. It is the boss software that runs your phone and manages all other apps. So the third question is, what is the software different from hardware? Options are software is always cheaper than hardware. Software can connect to the internet, hardware cannot. Software is invisible, you cannot physically touch it. So the right answer is software is invisible, you cannot physically touch it. Exactly correct. Hardware is a physical and touchable. Software is digital and invisible. That is the core difference. Fourth question is, what kind of software in BYJU'S or Khan Academy? Options are educational software, game software, system utility software. So the answer is educational software. Perfect. BYJU'S and Khan's academies are educational software designed specifically to teach students in fun, interactive ways. Last question is, can a computer work with only hardware and no software? Options are yes, hardware is more powerful enough done. Second, no hardware needs software instruction to do anything. Third, only for basic math, nothing else. So the answer is no hardware needs software instruction to do anything. Spot on. Hardware needs software to function, just like a body needs a brain. Without software, a computer is just an expensive collection of parts. So the right answer is no. Hardware needs software instruction to do anything. Let's check the scores now. Yes, all five answers are correct. You understand software better than most adults. So today we learn about what is software. In next episode we will learn about what is internet. Thank you kids. Bye.